Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to shadow text and images using your Cricut design space on your iPad or your mobile device. Alright, so what we're going to start off with is I'm searching for my image that I want to use today. I am going to be using a Texas image. That's where I'm from, so I got to represent. So you'll just go ahead and search for your image and upload it onto your slate here. Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go over to layers, and I'm going to change my image from a cut file to a print file. Okay, once I do that, I'll go ahead and hit make it as if I'm going to go ahead and print out my project, but I'm not going to print it. I am going to actually take a screenshot of it. Okay, so I have my screenshot there, and the next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and just crop the image down. Alright, and once you have your image all cropped, you're going to go ahead and save it to your photos. Alright, so next we're going to go back. You can go ahead and change your file back from print to cut again. And then once we do that, we're going to go ahead and change the color of the cut image, and you'll see why in just a moment here. Okay, so next we're going to go to upload, select your photo. You're going to select the one that we just screenshotted. And next we're just going to go ahead and go through the process of cleaning up your image. So just removing the background from it, and then also you're going to need to go to the erase tool just to erase all of those extra lines there, as we don't need any of that in the picture. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of it off screen here, and then I'll come back in just a moment. Alright, so now we have our image all cleaned up. So what we'll do is just go ahead and save the image. And just name it whatever you'd like to make it easy for you. Okay, and once we have it saved, then we'll go ahead and select it and insert it onto our slate. Okay, so now you see I have both files there. I have the image that we screenshotted, and then I have the regular image that we started off with. Okay, so what you'll need to do with the first image that we had, you'll need to go to edit, arrange, and send that image to front so that it is in front of the image that we took a screenshot of. And then you'll be able to just move it over to that one, and you have your shadow effect. It was that easy. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the exact same thing, but this time using text. So I just went ahead and chose a font, and I typed out my nickname, which is Joya. And I'm just going to go down to my toolbar here, and I'm going to change the letter spacing just so that my script lettering looks a little better and it's not so far apart. You'll also see me at some point go over to actions and advanced, and I'll ungroup my letters and, clean them up a little bit that way as well, just moving them a little closer to my liking. And once I complete all of that, then I will go ahead and weld my text together. Alright, so now that I have welded the text together, I am going to go ahead and duplicate that text. And I'm going over to layers, and I will go ahead and change one from a cut to a print file. And I'm going to go ahead and continue to make it. In the same process as before, I'm just going to go ahead and screenshot my text and then continue to crop it. And once I crop the image, then I am going to go ahead and save it to my photos. Alright, and once I have that saved, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my canvas. I'm going to go ahead and change that text file back from print to cut. And then I'm going to go to upload and select photo from library and just go ahead and grab that photo that we just took a screenshot of, that text file that we just took a screenshot of, and continue to clean that file up just like we did the Texas image before. Alright, so now I'm just finishing up cleaning up the text image, and I'm going to go ahead and save it to my software. Right, and then just select it and insert it onto the canvas. Resize it, and you can delete one of the other cut files. Change the color of the regular cut file so that we can see better. And make sure you go to arrange and send that one to front again. Alright, and just size it up to where it's layered directly on top of the shadow file. And there you have it. It's as easy as that. Thank you for checking out my tutorial. I would love for you guys to follow me on my social media. My personal Instagram is @LaJoyaRachel. My business Instagram is @_PoshCustoms. And until next time, happy crafting.